I originally learned how to code when I was deciding on a career change. It was either between electrician or web developer. I took this free code camp course on HTML and CSS. I didn't understand the bigger picture. I didn't really understand how this was going to get me to the point where I could build gnarly things. So I decided actually to become an electrician. Fast forward a couple of years, and I'm still interested in web development, still interested in coding, and I decided to just stay curious, keep looking into it. I take a couple of free courses, Python for everyone, get familiar with coding, wet my beak with that, still hungry for knowledge, and I seek out something a little bit harder, Harvard CS50 course, and after that, man, that put me through the ringer, and after that I was really in a position to just about learn anything I wanted.